In this video, I'm going to show you how to get polar bear in Grow A Garden in Roblox. So, polar bear is actually one of the rarest pets in the game. So it's not the rarest one is the dragonfly, however, it's still very rare. And the way you can actually get it is via this legendary egg over here, and the legendary egg has only a 2% chance of getting you the polar bear. Now, let me show you how to get this. Over here, if I walk up to the egg pet shop, which I'm assuming you already know how to get it, so basically it's next to the gear shop, well, you have a chance to actually get a legendary egg, and I think it's like a 9% chance or something like this. Let me check. Show me pet eggs. Yeah, it's a 9% chance, so it's in 9% of shops, but I've already been able to basically get it twice, so I don't think it's that hard, and I haven't even been playing that much. So what you can do is just wait for it over here, so every half an hour this shop will reset, and you'll be able to get yourself a legendary egg in case it will spawn, and hopefully, of course for you, it will, and it does. So after you get that, after you get the legendary egg, make sure you have to wait 4 hours, so after 4 hours, the egg will hatch, you can hatch it, and you have a 2% chance to get the polar bear. Now, what the polar bear does, in case you were wondering, well, every like 90 seconds or so, you have around a 10% chance of a nearby fruit to become chilled or frozen, so in the nearby, basically, area where the polar bear is currently located. So, of course, that timer will go down with its age, so when the animal ages, gains experience, the timers will go down, and then you'll get the frozen or chilled fruits more frequently and more often. So, that's pretty much it, that's what it does. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.